The Atlas Working Group will provide a forum for the OHDSI community of developers that are interested in improving the open source software applications Atlas and Web API. These tools aim to provide capabilities to perform phenotype evaluation, which is our focus in the first half of 2025, and design standardized analytics to execute on the OMOP Common Data Model, which is our second half 2025 objective. Identifying these specifically, for our first objective is to foster a collaborative environment to ensure the effective execution and timely updates of Atlas, enhancing community engagement and software quality. The key results for this will be to resolve the 2.15 issues that we have outstanding so that we can do our final 2.x release for the 2.0 line of our tool. First quarter 2025 is our target. Our key result 2 will be the Web API 3.0 technical upgrade, which will involve upgrading to either JDK 19 or 21, which we will determine after more collaborative feedback from the community, and upgrade our dependencies to be very modern versions of all of our dependencies that are in the Java stack. The third key result is to engage our community for an Atlas 4.0 redesign. We've had external collaborators from Data for Life to come in and offering their services and volunteer to help coalesce our ideas about what the user experience will be and what our capabilities will be and what our story will be about Atlas for our 4.0 release. And our key result 4, and we'd like to do this sooner rather than later, is to create an Atlas usage survey to capture the most used functions and functionality gaps that are identified by the community. This will help us in our process of moving into our 3.0 platform to basically, we have the freedom to break backwards compatibility when we move from major releases from a 2.0 to a 3.0. So we will be able to take this opportunity to kind of remove anything that's obsolete or no longer finding value in the community, and also potentially change around some things for the 3.0 release to make things a little bit more functional. Second objective is to review a framework of open source community collaboration. Key results here will be to establish the protocol for requirements gathering and feature vetting. The second will be to define criteria for what is ready to code, which means once it's vetted and we have enough level of detail and a shared understanding of what the technical accomplishment will be for a certain feature, we can deem that ready to code and people can start digging in and actually doing the work to deliver. And then the key result 3 will be establishing a review process on once those implementations are complete, what is the appropriate channels and communications to go through to verify that it satisfies all the coding requirements that we want to have for releasing our software. All right. Key areas of focus can be broken down to 2 parts: scientific, which involves what are the scientific activities, phenotype evaluation, characterization, and comparison, study design, and reporting. And the second part of our focus is on a technical space, what the user experience is, performance of the applications, security considerations, method implementations, and those people that have language expertise in Spring, Java, JavaScript, and HTML technologies. The Atlas Workgroup wants to just welcome all community members to collaborate on these above focus members if you have those skills and expertise. Finally, our meeting schedule is we have the first of the month is a open community call, which is more focused on strategy and more of an open communication about not technical. So we can just call the first week not non-technical meeting. And then we have our weekly developer meetings on the non-first Tuesdays of each month to discuss the features, vet features, facilitate the process I just described in our OKRs, review open pull requests, and triage issues and bugs that we find in the tools.